Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the physical basics so software changes won't fail. First, check the cable and monitor input. A loose HDMI or wrong input will block detection. Once that's verified, open Display Settings on your OS, Windows, Settings System Display, macOS, System Preferences Displays. You're now ready to detect and identify displays. Make sure both screens are powered. Then click Detect or press the Detect Displays button so the system lists your monitor. You've detected the monitor. Next, assign it as primary. On Windows, click the monitor tile, then check Make this my main display. On Mac OS, drag the white menu bar to the monitor in Arrangement. Once assigned, configure resolution and scaling so text and UI appear at the right size. Also set the refresh rate if available for smoother motion. Make sure orientation and multiple display layout match your physical setup, because logical placement affects window snapping and cursor travel. Finalize by applying settings and restarting any apps that remember positions. Signing out or rebooting sometimes completes the change. If the monitor isn't working or disappears, reseat cables, try another port or a different adapter, and test with another device to rule out hardware. If the problem persists, update your graphics drivers and operating system because outdated drivers often block advanced options. As a last resort, reset display settings back to default and reconfigure. This clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.